Good morning, guys. Yesterday night, after that incident snowfall, I started to Srinagar. On the way, just 20 to 25 minutes gap, again heavy snowfall. I took some small hotel here. I don't know where it is exactly night time. Minus almost 12 degrees are there here temperature. Full night, I can't even sleep properly. They didn't provide proper, like just normal hotel. You can see. I'll show you outside how it looks. My mobile. I'm getting scared here. If I want to leave anything, terrorist area, no. This is the most dangerous place. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this is the hotel. And yesterday night again, what happened? I'll show you. It's a complete snowfall again. I didn't even remove my clothes, jacket and all. I slept like this only. I parked my bike there. I'll show you how it is inside. I thank God.
चाय कॉफी चाय चना पड़ा
Thank
चना
you.
मसाला
You can see my bike there, safe. Seriously, heavy, full night. I can, like, and I can listen the sounds. Heavy snowfall, and this is kind of danger place. Indian Army, they told. They're telling CC camera. So our Indian Army people said, don't stay here. It's not at all, safe place. People, they'll come and they'll take your things, robber. Because I don't have any option. I can't. My fingers completely. It's like in the snow. Also, I can't go again. See, I have to wait again. My bike will skid in the snow also. See, when I'm walking only. But in my complete Indian trip, this is most memorable moment. Look at this. One second, I'll keep my. Wow. A morning walk in snow. Thank God. Here police station is there. Oh, no. I think next to 1 week I can't go, guys. I understood this. Next to 1 week I can't leave this place because of heavy snowfall. Eee! Yeah. Actually, I came in right time, perfect time, but in bike, guys. Seriously, I'm telling you, because in these kind of snow places, guys, I can't even pronounce words. In these kind of places, you should come by car, not bike. In this kind of, like the snowfall time. Ah, I want to buy proper, gloves. I bought from Decathlon these. No use. Till yesterday, just normal places, suddenly snow places. If you don't have proper gloves and this, why I'm not removing this? This is really completely, like it's more than sweater. This jacket. You can't even see people here. They didn't even come out here morning. Kashmir, such a great memories, yaar. See this car. Oh, horrible. This is a hotel I stayed. Really Dabba hotel. Yakka hotel. Yakka means Yakka hotel. I don't have words. I paid for this 1200 rupees. Inside, it's really Yakka hotel. Full night I was getting scared, something will happen. They'll come and they'll take my money, my bike and all. Exactly 11 o'clock, they'll open. Exactly 11 o'clock, they will open your shops and all. Once if they open shops, I want to wear proper gloves. So without gloves, I can't even move from this place. The one more thing is like my bike in the snow again. I can't go. I have to wait. They'll come and they'll clean now this. Everything they will clean, the snow and all. Once if they clean, then only I can start from here. Bye guys, take care. I'm safe here. The one more thing is like my SIM and my network is not working here because in Jammu Kashmir our SIMs won't work. We have to take separate SIM here. But the thing is I lost my driving license voter ID, both originals. So there is some problem. So don't worry, I can't pick the calls. And like whenever I have Wi-Fi, then only I'll come online and I'll upload videos or whatever. So don't get like okay. Okay, bye bye guys.